In this, we'll focus on creating a sacred and supportive space for your vibrational journaling practice. Your journaling space serves as a sanctuary where you can connect with your inner self, cultivate mindfulness, and align with your intentions and goals. In this lesson, we'll focus on creating a sacred and supportive space for your vibrational journaling practice. Your journaling space serves as a sanctuary where you can connect with your inner self, cultivate mindfulness, and align with your intentions and goals. Personalize your journaling space with items that inspire and uplift you. This could include candles, crystals, plants, meaningful artwork, or any other objects that resonate with you and enhance your sense of peace and well-being. Create a soothing atmosphere by incorporating elements that engage your senses. Use soft lighting, calming scents, and gentle music to evoke a sense of tranquility and relaxation. Clear any clutter or distractions from your journaling space to create a clean and harmonious environment. A clutter-free space promotes clarity of mind and allows you to focus more effectively on your journaling practice. Explore strategies for establishing a consistent and nurturing daily practice of vibrational journaling. Building a daily journaling habit is essential for deepening your connection with yourself, aligning with your intentions, and manifesting your desired outcomes. You can establish rituals and routines by setting intentional beginnings and endings. Begin each journaling session by setting clear intentions for your practice and expressing gratitude for the opportunity to connect with yourself. End your session with a moment of reflection and appreciation for the insights gained. Create rituals to enhance focus. Develop rituals or routines that help you transition into a state of focused awareness. This could include deep breathing exercises, meditation, or visualization techniques to center yourself and prepare for journaling. Maintain consistency by establishing a consistent journaling routine to cultivate a sense of discipline and commitment to your practice. Set aside dedicated time each day to connect with your journal and nurture your inner growth. As a part of your assignment, commit to establishing a daily vibrational journaling practice for the next week. Set aside a specific time each day to engage in your practice and follow the strategies outlined in this lesson. Reflect on your experience in your journal, noting any challenges, insights, or shifts in your awareness. Next, we'll explore techniques for aligning your thoughts and emotions with your intentions through vibrational journaling. Get ready to deepen your practice and manifest your desires with greater clarity and focus.